let's try to solve this problem. Starting from 1 and go till n square. Okay, and increment is every time say multiply by 7. Okay, this type of example we discussed in previous video. Okay, there we discuss 2 into I. There when we multiply by 2, then its time complexity was log n base 2, and here n is in the place of n, here n square. So for this for loop, time complexity will be log n square and base will be 7. Okay, now consider this problem. For each I value, j will be run. Here j is incremented by every time multiply by 2. So its time complexity will be log n base 2. For each I value, this while loop will execute log n base 2 time. Then overall, this for loop and this while loop is correlated, or this while loop is under for loop, because if for each I value, this while loop is executed for log n base 2 time. Then overall time complexity will be log n square base 7 into log n base 2. As we discussed in previous video that we can ignore constant. Okay, then log n square into log n, this 2 will come here, 2 log n into log n. So overall its time complexity will be log n square. If you have any confusion, write in comment box. Let us try to solve this problem. Look, this for loop will starting from 1 and go till n. So its time complexity will be n. Now we need to see another for loop. Is it internal loop or correlated loop? Yes, because j is starting from 1, but it is depend upon I value. So let us take example and then we will understand. From if I value will be 1, then this j loop will be executed for one time. If I value will be 2, then again j will be initialized from 1 and go till 2. That is j equal to execute for 1, then 2. If j I value equal to 3, then j will be executed 1, 2 and 3 times. The same way, if I value equal to n, then j will start from 1, 2, 3 till n. Now we need to add all of them. So it is starting from 1 and go till n. Time complexity will be n into n plus 1 by 2, because this is the sum of n natural number. Okay, then time complexity will be n square plus n by 2, or we can take leading term, that is n square. So time complexity will be n square. Here for each I value, j will be executed from 1 to I. When I value will be 1, I value will be 1, then j will execute for 1 time. If I value will be 2, then j is executed from 1 to 2 time. J value will be n, then it will executing from 1 to n time. So we need to add all of them, and adding n natural number, this is not nothing but adding n natural number. When we add n natural number, that is n into n plus 1 by 2, and overall our time complexity for this algorithm will be n square. Let's try to, now this is the answer. Now I will